A Farmer's Market Gleaning Guide. Chapter 1. Get food in the country. Farmers' markets to buy and sell stuff. Farmers' markets sell more than just food. They sell anything and everything, just like flea markets. Some cities have a city market, which is a big building with a bunch of people with permanent booths selling all kinds of stuff from them. ams.usda.gov/farmersmarkets. ams.usda.gov/farmersmarkets/map.htm, find a farmer's market. Farmers markets and USDA information. ams.usda.gov/usda, agricultural marketing service, farmers market directory. ams.usda.gov/amsv1.0/farmers markets, farmers markets near you, extensive list of links to local farmers markets in your area. pickyourOwn.org. ams.usda.gov/farmersmarkets, USDA agricultural marketing service. Includes a listing of farmers markets across the US. localharvest.org, local harvest. Nationwide directory of CSAs and other local food sources. foodroutes.org. fruitstands.com, directory of fruit stands and farmers markets across the US. Includes addresses, email, and hours. localharvest.org, where to buy local vegetables. farmersmarket.com. nafdma.com, 413-529-0386, North American Farmers Direct Marketing Association. reusda.gov, Cooperative Extension. freshfromthefarm.com. pickyourOwn.org. Canada Farmers Markets. bcfarmersmarket.org. gov.mb.ca/agriculture/upick. Farms, pick your own. Look for the Agriculture Department on your state, provincial and county government websites. greatlinks.com/spotlight/farms. pickyourOwn.info, Britain. pickyourOwn.org, the US, Canada, Britain, and other countries. pick-your-own.org.uk, Britain. brookdalefarms.com/pickyourOwn, Hollis, NH. kritsfarms.com, Christmas tree, pumpkins, near Syracuse, New York. crockfordbridgefarm.co.uk, New Ho Road, Addlestone, Weybridge, Surrey, England. dc.about.com/od/children's activities/a/pickyourOwn.htm, Washington, D.C. area. farms.2havefun.com/main.shtml, main. copusfarms.co.uk/newsite/pickyourOwn.htm, Britain. farmshopping.net, Britain. finkesburyfarm.com, Northeast Minnesota. funnewjersey.com, pick your own, New Jersey. ifplantscould.talk.rutgers.edu/pyo. jbslemmer.com/strawberrypio.htm, Georgia. lagonerfarms.com/pickyourOwn.php. lawrencefarmsorchards.com, Hudson Valley, New York. mass.gov/agr/massgrown/pick-your-own.htm, Massachusetts. massfarmstands.com, Massachusetts Association of Roadside Stands. massgrown.org, Massachusetts. mda.state.md.us/agritourism_products/pick-your-own-berries_cherries.php, Maryland. metrojersey.com/newjerseyfarms.htm. pickyourOwn.com, Maryland. pickyourOwnChristmasTree.org, United States and other countries. pickyourOwnfarms.org.uk, pick your own farms in England, Wales, and Scotland. pumpkinandchiliparty.com, Arizona. pumpkinpatchesandmore.org, pumpkin patches, corn mazes, apple picking, fall festivals. riverside10tandoning.com, picking bags. schnepffarms.com, Queen Creek, Arizona. stakey'spumpkinfarm.com, Long Island Pumpkin Farms, New York. State.nj.us/Jersey fresh/searches/pyo.hdm, New Jersey. vermontagriculture.com/pyown.hdm. Foraging for wild food. There are people around who know what's edible among the plants you see anywhere. They can go into a field and find healthy food to eat. Steve Brill is the guy who did this on TV for a while. dwwp.co.uk/wildfood.asp, broad-leaved woodland-based spring and autumn wild food courses. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/wild_food. foragersharvest.com, Sam Thayer's Wild Food Guide to Edible Wild Plants. lowimpact.org/factset_wild_food.hdm. hollowtop.com/finel_hdml/finel.html. natureskills.com/wild_food_recipe.html. naturesecretlarder.co.uk. rarobi.com/category/nature. wildfoodadventures.com, Annual Wild Food Conference and Feast, North Bend State Park, Cairo, West Virginia. wildmanstevebril.com, foraging. wildmanwildfood.co.uk. wildmanwildfood.com. wildnature.com. wildpantry.com, all natural wild food products, wild mushrooms, fruits, vegetables, nuts and wild medicinal plants brought to you. wildendeorganicfood.com. wildwalksouthwest.co.uk, a variety of ways to connect to nature within and around us, through wild food walks and nature awareness events and nature within workshops and sessions. writerbynature.com, hiker, wild foods forager and writer. Gleaning info. usda.gov/news/pub/gleaning/content, go pick free food from the fields after the machine harvests them. Farmers Market job websites. North American Farmers Direct Marketing Association. farmersinspired.com. USDA's Farmers Market Directory, ams.usda.gov/local-food-directories/farmers markets. farmersmarket.coalition.org/networking/state-associations, a list of state farmers market associations. farmersmarketcoalition.org/education/newsletter. farmersmarketonline.com. American Farmland Trust. 1150 Connecticut Avenue, NW. Number 600. Washington, D.C. 20036-4132. 202-331-7300. Farmland.org. Farmers Market Coalition, FMC. P.O. Box 499, Kimberton, Pennsylvania 19442-0499. FarmersMarketCoalition.org. Farmers Market Managers Mentoring Program. Farmers Market Federation of New York. 117 Highbridge Street. Number U1. Fayetteville, New York 13066-1952. 315, 414-47. NewYorkFarmersMarket.com. North American Farmers Direct Marketing Association. 62 White Loaf Road. Southampton, Massachusetts 01073-9251. NAFDMA.com. U.S. Department of Agriculture. 1400 Independence Avenue, SW. Washington, D.C. 20250-0002. 202-720-2791. USDA.gov. Farmers Market Manager job websites. Find a market near you. ams.usda.gov/local-food-directories/farmers markets. farmersmarketcoalition.org/education/newsletter. farmersmarketonline.com/a/farmersmarketbooks.hdm. farmersmarketcoalition.org. farmersmarketcoalition.org/networking/state-associations, list of state farmers market associations. American Farmland Trust. 1150 Connecticut Avenue NW, Suite 600. Washington, D.C. 20036-4132. 202-331-7300. Farmland.org. Farmers Market Coalition, FMC. P.O. Box 499, Kimberton, Pennsylvania 19442-0499. FarmersMarketCoalition.org. Farmers Market Managers Mentoring Program, contact Farmers Market Federation of New York. 117 Highbridge Street Suite U1. Fayetteville, New York 13066-1952. 315, 400 Euro 1447. NewYorkFarmersMarket.com. North American Farmers Direct Marketing Association. 62 White Loaf Road, Southampton, Massachusetts 01073-9251. NAFDMA.com. U.S. Department of Agriculture. 1400 Independence Avenue SW. Washington, D.C. 20250-0002. 202-720-2791. USDA.gov.